Land-based mining is slowly decreasing. Minerals are being excavated and the supply of resources has decreased because these minerals take so many years to develop. With this being said, many people want to dive into the deep waters of the ocean to take resources from these areas. Here you can see a collector vehicle being lowered from a billion-dollar vessel strictly for the purpose of deep-sea mining. The ocean goes as deep as 12,200 feet and covers 71% of the Earth's surface. When the vehicle reaches the bottom, it begins its procedure for collecting. During this time, the ocean floor is damaged while the minerals are taken. There are marine organisms that live in, under, and around these minerals. Not only will the collection of these minerals damage ocean habitats, but the plumes that are released from the vehicle when landed and while collecting can harm the ocean life that we are not aware of or familiar with. During the collection, the minerals are collected into a central storage and sorted. The unwanted and unusable sediment is discarded using a second tube, which is seen on the left. When this useless sediment is released back into the ocean, the plume that comes afterwards can dramatically affect these habitats and ocean life in unknown ways. There may be ocean life that we have yet to discover, and we are unsure how these would affect them. Considering the environmental state of the Earth, it's better to be safe than sorry.